A man was told that in his ground there are gold mines. So he started digging the ground and he was working day after day, but he could not find any signs of gold. Therefore, he just dropped the idea of digging and finding out gold. What he did, he sold the land to somebody else. The man who bought the land, he was advised by his engineer that this land has got the gold mines just in 3 feet. Put his whole trust. The man worked very hard and he succeeded. Dear brethren in Jesus Christ, the moral of the story is very simple. When you are trying to reach your destination, you may face with so much of difficulties. There will be so many troubles. There will be so many trials. There will be so many sufferings. But all these, if you are experiencing, then remember that you are closer to your victory. Because all these will push you to the victory. But because these are very hard, you sometimes try to lose hope in it and leave it towards the finishing line. In life, we are blessed by God. We know that we are blessed by God in so many ways. We are expecting for new blessings. And we know in our heart that we will receive them. But in the process of receiving it, we may have to face with some kind of difficulties, some kinds of pain, some kinds of trouble. But we should have the courage to overcome. If we don't, then we may have to lose our destination. See, Jesus himself in the gospel today promising us that if you want to receive the blessing, you will receive it. Don't worry, but you have to follow me. Following Jesus is not a simple task. The disciples came and asked Jesus, "We are following you. And what about our rewards?" Jesus said, "Follow me and you will receive the reward." See, everyone followed except Judas. And everyone received their reward. See, in the same manner, whatever you have in your life as dreams, you please give it to Jesus. Follow Jesus. Jesus is the way. If Jesus is claiming that he is the way, he knows what are the obstacles that are going to be in the path. So he knows how to take you in the path. As you are walking in Jesus' path, you may be struggling in so many issues of life. You may have financial issues. You may have family issues. You may have problems with your children. You may have problems with your spouse. You may be just trying hard to get a baby, but still there is no sign of getting a baby. See, all this Jesus knows. So give everything to Jesus and walk in his path. The success is close by. The blessing is close by. And he is going to bless you. When he blesses you, you will have everything that you need in abundance. Amen.